Welcome to Unchurched. I'm your host, Edna White, and this is Sunday Reset Message. I am here today to talk to you about who am I without the church? What happens when the place that told you who you are is no longer where you belong? Not because you're lost, but because you woke up. I'm Edna White again, and this is your Sunday Reset. There's a version of you that was built inside the structure, inside rules, inside expectations. You learned how to speak, how to behave, what was right, what was wrong, who you were allowed to be. And for a while, that gave you safety. It gave you identity. It gave you belonging. But nobody prepared you for the moment it wasn't fit anymore. Let me tell you something real. There was a point in my life when I realized I didn't recognize myself outside of that environment of the church that I grew in. I knew how to show up in church. I knew how to serve. I knew how to say the right things, pray the right way, and be right. But outside of that, I didn't know what I liked. I didn't know what I believed without someone else confirming it. I didn't know what my voice sounded like when wasn't filtered through expectations. When it wasn't using those big language words or those churchified language words. And that's the part nobody talks about. When you step away, you don't just lose a place, you lose a version of yourself. And for 1 minute, it feels like everything is lost. But here's the truth most people won't say out loud. You don't lose yourself. You lost the identity you were performing. Nobody wants to hear that part. That's the difference. Because performance can be taught, but identity has to be discovered. Now let's be real about what's actually happening when you ask, who am I without the church? You're dealing with three things, and I'm going to break them down for you today. Number one, you lost your mirror. You see, the environment you used to reflect, you now don't have. It used to reflect who you were. It told you what to do, told you what to say, told you who to be with, told you how to be, told you what to wear. It was a mirror. It was that reflection. Now you don't have that feedback, and it doesn't loop in your mind anymore. So you feel invisible, uncertain, unanchored. Believe me, I know what it felt like. Two, you're detoxing from approval. You were used to being affirmed for fitting in. See, your affirmations came as long as you conformed to what they were saying, you were affirmed. You felt safe. Now you're learning how to stand without applause. That's uncomfortable. But that's where truth starts. Three, you're finally meeting yourself. Not the version shaped by doctrine, not the version shaped by fear, not the version shaped because of safety, but the version of you that has to decide, what do I believe? What do I value? What do I want? Now here we're going to shift the frame for you. Let me correct something for you. Leaving a system doesn't mean you're lost. It means you no longer outsource your identity to someone else. And if you're honest, that's the first time you actually had a chance to meet the real you. You see, I had to meet the real you by stripping away everything that I thought or was told I should be doing, I should be wearing, I should be thinking. I should be talking, stripped away. Some of you aren't struggling because you left. You're struggling because you're trying to replace one structure with another too fast. You went from one set of answers to desperately looking for the next. Another teacher, another system, another voice to tell you what to do, where to go, who to be with, and who you are. No, this part, this is where you sit with yourself. No script, no approval, no performance, just you. So what do you do now? Here's the reset for you today. And this is going to answer it for you. Who I am when no one is telling me who to be. Answer that. Not your role, not your title, not your past identity, not anything on your resume. And then start there. What do you actually believe without fear? Without fear. What feels true to me, even if it's different? Where have I been performing instead of living? You don't need to have all the answers today, but you do need to stop avoiding the questions. Because you're not broken, you're not lost. You just outgrew where you were. You're evolving. See, evolving has no ceiling, has no doors. Evolution requires separation. It requires space. It requires silence. It requires honesty. Now, you heard the story. Now, let's talk about what you do with it. If you've been feeling like you don't recognize yourself anymore, like you've been performing a version of you that no longer fits, it's time to get your identity back. Not the version shaped by expectations, rules, or law. Not the version built for survival, the real you. And here's the truth. Clarity doesn't just come, you create it. That's exactly why I created You're Not Stuck Mastermind. This is where we break the patterns. This is where we rebuild identity. This is where we stop circling and finally move forward. I want you to join me April 27th to 2026 at the Mastermind. The link is on the bottom of this video. And if you need to speak to me and you just need to find clarity, I do one-to-ones as well. And also, I'd like to invite you to a detox. I think that's what you really need. So let's start there first. Do a detox and reset with my co-facilitator, Tiffany N. Haywood, and I are going to do one in April as well. So let us know if you'd like to come to that. But I want you to start this journey today. Don't forget, you deserve clarity. You deserve to see the real you. Bye for now.